Um, 124, and then this one. Mm. Okay, so I have an idea that something is not connecting really well. Um, because in here everything works, but I don't have preferred color scheme. Um, so state, so it has system setting, what you have on iOS, and what you chose as a user, and this is the resulting value. So if we run this, what happens is the question. Does it still work well? Oh, this is the problem comes out in the same way. So so state color scheme. Uh, so now it starts breaking. Well, that's good because the problem is actually is in here. Okay, so why don't we try to refactor this a little bit? So instead of this, and instead of this, we just return empty UI view. So we do this. We take on change. We init view with new UI view, and then we init on change with whatever was given to us. And actually, here we take this here. Um, we say that view should be looking for self traits with the following handler. So then all of this, registration is. Okay, so we don't need any of this. UI trait environment. View on change registration. Uh, hmm. Okay. Uh, okay. So we call on change and say that user interface style is dark. All of this is gone. Let's run it. Okay, and we also want to call on change once. inherits from view. Okay, like why when I say dark, this changes to dark? So if I don't do this, shall I just print this? Okay. And if I run it on my phone, so now it should be dark false, dark true. Okay, but the moment I start setting this, for this view, so now it's dark. Now it turned off dark. Hmm. What do you do if you set it to nil? Side by side previews of the same view. So that's what I'm doing. Wait, maybe that is possible. Okay. Um, Let on change void Hmm. So light. If you need to detect the color scheme that currently applies, do this. Hmm. So it changes with the state color scheme. Hmm. For the nearest and closing presentation. Or until another color scheme modifier higher in the hierarchy overrides it. What is the difference with this? Okay, now that works. Now that works. Nearest and closing presentation versus, well, I'm gonna keep it like this actually. I'm gonna keep it like this. I don't care if it's deprecated, it works how I want. Okay, so all of this is not needed. All of this will view things, everything. Like this is can be gone. So I just say on change of system color scheme perform call on change. Okay, and then initial true. Well, that was a fun adventure. So can this be a modifier? Let's just make it work first, and then we'll make it into a modifier. So instead of all of this, we'll just do this. Now, in the app, we will just say color scheme here. Okay, run it. Light, dark. And in the settings, I have system, but I want light, and it's all light, even the system is dark. Perfect. Glad they deprecated this. It's been
We are.
fun.
We are. It was one of the best days of our life.
It's been a fun path. So this is an empty view now. Okay, so detects system detects whether dark mode is enabled at a system level. Oh, warning, blah blah. I think like this is a warning. Do not use preferred color scheme. Use deprecated color scheme instead of new otherwise. Otherwise, the latter one does propagation and will override system settings. Propagates the preference. Propagates the preference from its argument up and will override. Amazing. um, Okay, so let's run it in. I have to run it on the phone because it's not really possible to change. So I have system setting. Wow, that was a little bit of work. The ladder will propagate its value up the view hierarchy, right? Whatever is detected. Overriding whatever was detected. This is something not to look at. Okay, so now in the up state, we have um, so color scheme system setting uh, color scheme user preference and then color scheme. Okay, so we use a user preference. If we chose the system, we use the system alight. Otherwise, we say whatever user did. Okay, now finally pick color will work. Oh my god. Oh, let's just stage everything and go over it again. Okay, in settings view, renamed to user preference, wrote this monstrosity, deleted all the crooked text in upstate. Mm, okay. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, so How do I do it? So just the labels. Wow. Well, let's test it. So what we want is to create a test view. Why wouldn't they add like new from template and it's just this and there's all the templates? Hmm. Hmm. Color scheme user preference. Oh, why didn't it not rename that? So going to be problem for preview, Sam. Is going to be wait for previews, but for now, I guess it's fine. Okay, I'll see what to do next. With Sarah. Settings, change font to New York. Okay, that should be. I don't even know what it should be. Hey, Rick Love. Uh, font, design, serif. Okay. And then on server endpoint, would be nice to be able to type path here. CSS, font, family, serif. Think it works like that? What is all this printing? Uh, what is all this printing? Font family, let's do something obviously wrong. Cascadia code. No, this is just not working. Oh, that's not how you do it. Destination, sync document view, font. Oh, there is not Cascadia code, of course, on the computer, on the iOS. Well, this one is serif. What if I do sans serif? Oh, it does work. Font, weight, light. It's not this font. iOS font family. Can I not just say it here? Okay. Then here already is applied, right? No, have to do it separately. Okay. Okay, that's fine. This lags so hard because of this. And all I need to do is on a server in the endpoint pending place ID should be minus suggestions. Do you think this will work? I hope so. Okay, now it doesn't lag anymore. Okay. Uh, pending items. Hashable box init. Any hashable. I don't have creation date. Okay, that's later then. Um, do not show when you send a suggestion. Send a suggestion. So when you add a suggestion, oh, this is also new. should be dismissed. Okay, so when you add a suggestion, oh man, привет, привет, Alex. Okay, why is this not stretch? The box is stretched, but the items are not stretched. Oh, I just spent like 3 hours trying to detect whether or not dark mode is enabled so that I can write a function to pick a color based on that. Do you remember I implemented layout for my app? Yeah, you mentioned it, but that's the extent of what I remember. Ah, tell me what happened. What did you realize? Oh, this is wrong. Programming is fun. Well, I spent 3 hours trying to go into UI kit because there you can register a handler to detect traits changing. And I was like, okay, this and this and this protocol and whatever. Oh, now I need to make UI view representable. Okay, let's embed it. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, it works in the demo, it doesn't work in the app. Oh, I wired it wrong. Oh, when I apply this modifier, it propagates up to hierarchy and fucks up my breaks my detection. And then in the end, I just wrote 3 lines of a view of 3 lines that in the end reads from environment, which I was like, I cannot read from environment because reading from environment will be affected by me changing the value to whatever user. So it's learning. It's a learning exercise. I fixed it. Yeah, I uploaded like previous 3 hours on YouTube and then I spent another like 40 minutes. Basically, I have the toggle in the settings that says you can choose light mode or dark mode, or you can choose whatever you have globally in the system, right? And then I had an issue where I would use preferred color scheme modifier, and then it would go up to where I read what you have in the system and override the preference of that view as well. It's like they say it goes up to the nearest presenting context, something like that. So in the end, I used deprecated modifiers that just does it for the view it's applied to. Because I'm not ready to learn about stuff that goes up the hierarchy. Um, but what happened with the layout of your app? Why were you rewriting it, and why did you want to rewrite it again? Uh, Checking profile screen. No, it's not working. Oh, of course it's not working because it is indeed stretching it. I shouldn't stretch it. Um, I'm stretching the whole stack. I have a lot of small views and need to arrange them dynamically, and default solution doesn't work. So now I do layout by hand and it's 10 times faster than using default approach. Yeah, well, so in the end you will have something that is 10 times faster and exactly how you want it. There'll be some frustration, I imagine, on the way, but in the end. So why do I have this? I'm a little bit not sure. So basically, I'm going back to iOS 4 app development where only manual layout was possible. Well, well, not the worst. Next step is OpenGL. Well, if you do that, you will be at the forefront of web development, where everyone is probably going to start rendering into Canvas with WebAssembly. So you'll be ready for that. Okay, what is here? Why is this like this? No, 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 no. This is a tab bar. We're not gonna look at it. Navigation stack. No, this is navigation stack. Where is the content? I don't understand why it's like this. So it is not stretched. Uh, Alignment something wrong. Oh, if it's empty, then it's center, otherwise it's leading. So it seems like it's center aligned. Okay, this is the worst. I feel Xcode is working faster, but it's also lagging faster. Oh, did my screen break? Okay, wait, let me try something. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, now it should work. Let me turn off sleeping. I'm like, people are not even joining. People like come in and leave. It's probably just the sound. Okay, I think I should do this because it seems like when it goes to sleep, it's not really waking up correctly. Um, so okay, so alignment is leading. So V stack is tiny or what? Oh, my V stack is not stretching. Oh, of course, because I'm stretching. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So what should happen then? This alignment should be leading. Nay. Okay. Okay, we'll figure it out later. Uh, let's see what these designs are. Uh, yeah, when you send a suggestion, is this and this? Okay, maybe this belongs actually here. Um, let's see what we need to make it. Oh, this is new. Scenes. Okay, interesting. On home, there are no reviews. That is correct. Explore, place details under label. Okay, here should be a score. Um, seems like this is the easiest to start. So, so here we put a review. Okay, let's see. Place details. So anything that you find exciting in new SDK, I can finally fix the bug. Well, the bug where we have our own Starbucks, but there is also this Starbucks. There's Starbucks here, well, somewhere. Relay. Oh, it's now here. They added IDs, a way to uniquely identify map markers. So that's nice. Hey, Samuel Nog. Samuel Nog. Okay, so I think preview selects like a random item. Select a place. Let's do first. Okay, stop quitting. Okay, Ada's neon dyke. Which one is that? Okay, let's do second. Okay, this we know where it is. Strangely, this is not ticked, but whatever. Okay, so let's add a review then. Um, Stuff can be a little. Okay, so now let's approve it as well. Okay, so now here should be approved. What is this? Huh? What? Did I inject it wrong? Okay, we will get here. So now when we do this, there should be a review. Um, so when I show this view, I don't load anything. Okay, so we're gonna say task. I don't even remember what's it called. Prefetch. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, so now I should be able to have reviews somewhere. Oh yeah, I have stuff here. Why do I need this then? Yeah, I have stuff. I have a hard check. So that's how I know I have. Well, I also have false data. So that's how I know it's making a request. I'm like, huh? It's not, there is not a review. But of course, there are no reviews here. I have to rewrite this. Okay, so under the category here, we're gonna say text of place ID. Is it a good idea to have it like this? Um, so much is in here. There is something with place ID somewhere. Is favorite place by ID. Um, I don't know. Reviews of place. What did I say? Of place ID. So place by ID, place ID. Otherwise, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. We don't have all reviews here. So we have to load them. There was a request and a query somewhere. My reviews, common data, place details. So I might have deleted it. That wasn't smart. Yeah, I also deleted from here. Okay. Why would I do that? But since I deleted it, it is somewhere here. Um, Blows my mind that they don't have after completion here. Here it is, okay. Because I deleted it because we deleted it, deleted it. We removed the reviews. ID created, updated. Yeah, but I also deleted it because I kind of made them not in a nice way, like this place details. Okay. Okay, so place ID is what? 48 or something? It was 28? 28. So the idea is to do this. 192, 130, 3000, API places 28. Okay, well, let's make that happen, I guess. Okay. Okay, and endpoints place details. Place details. Would be nice to have this as a view because then I can always change it without changing the app. But then the reason I would want to change the view is to change something in the app. I think here. Okay, what was the request? I guess we can just do this for now. Crashed. Place details. Yes. So there isn't place details. Single value. Uh, from bool. Oh, this is the wrong query. Okay, let's see what we want first. We want all the reviews. Well, actually, we just want reviews, right? Mm, mm. So this is the reviews. Hey, enjoy your walk, Alex. Or you're telling that I should walk my dog. That's also true. Um, let's see if we can put this here. Reviews where place ID is what 28, I think. Why is there such a lag between? Okay, JSON bear, aggregate strict, JSON bear, build object. Okay, and then if it's not there, we need to say the defaulting to empty array. Okay. No trading place ID approval currently. Uh, where place and approval is approved, right? And then you order by ID descending. What is wrong with this app? I just click the same thing. I'm always clicking. Control Enter. Yes. This is also Control Enter apparently. Okay. Well, actually, this is not how you order, I think. Order by ID descending. This is how you order. Okay. Um, okay, I'm just gonna go for something a bit lazy. So reviews are select from reviews. Always forget to do parentheses. Is it because it doesn't understand control of this keyboard? No. Reviews, so ID is place ID 28, whatever. Um, and we'll say approved reviews. Okay. We'll just start with that. Oh, they still did. They added an AI model, but they didn't edit a pasting of the text yet. Unfortunate. Pasting of the text is not possible, unfortunately. Um, okay, so if I save it and it builds, this should be nice. No. Yes, called place ID, and there is a place ID in here, and place ID in here. Column, and we of course need to convert it to text. Okay. Okay. Do a short break and finish it later. Okay, we'll finish in the evening. It's like a while. Well, is it? Is it a while? Let's see. I hear you. It is a while. We'll finish it later.